ERP Plus. Let's check together how ERP Plus will benefit your business or your organization. Initially, let's have a small description. What is the components of ERP Plus and what is the concept behind? Initially, it starts with, let's assume your organization is a building. All we need is to sort it from the internal department and connect them all together in one place. Not only this, but we need also to migrate the stakeholders from the outside, which is the vendors, the customers, and the website, social media, and the other authorities, maybe in the government or in your shops, your branches. All of these should be in one place, managed by one system, all integrated together. From the internal departments, this will be connected directly to your customers, whatever the kind of customers you have. If you are a school, your customers will be students. If you are a company, your customers will be the customers who's paying to you. Is one of the most important part of your company, who is the vendors. It's totally managed by a vendor portal as well. So we have to have the whole building, the whole stakeholders connected together. And of course, your website and marketing and social media should be directly connected to your internal house or your internal organization. We mean organization because it's not only for the companies, it's for the companies, for school, for hospitals, for government. So we have to use everything in one place based on ISO standards and IFRS, which is International Finance Reporting Standards. So you have your ERP running in just 24 hours. If your data is ready, let's go. Now we are going to show you how ERP Plus is working in real life. Not only interesting videos and we have shots. No, we're going to show you how ERP Plus is running completely. Initially, we have it working on cloud. Even if this cloud belongs to you as a private cloud, we call it on-prem, or we are going to give you the full service. All you need is just internet connection and your browser is working as well. So you have it with your own username and password. You have just to enter to have your system up and running in one place. On the other hand, we have a set of mobile applications working together. Mobile application either in Apple or on Play Store. And we have hundreds of users depending on ERP Plus on a daily basis. So this is not the only application. We have most of the applications running for different industries. And we may have it just in one place like this. We have a set of applications, CXO for the top level management. You can manage the whole organization, cash flow, or banks and treasuries. Your forecast for the whole organization you have just in one place, and you can change the years you want. You can find everything, the forecast, complete forecast for your organization on your mobile. Behind this, we can check the sales orders, and the benefit of it is the distribution. You have it all in one place. If you are a company based on projects, you will have everything here. Just click on the project and you'll find the full details from the whole departments because they are connected together. We have a summary of what is happening in HR department. One of our resources which is very important. The other thing is the real estate. You may have just choose the dates and you will find everything regarding your organization in one place. You have just the leads, the call center, sales, and everything if you are a real estate company. Finally, you may have in CXO approvals for whatever you have. All you need is just to sign on your mobile directly. So you are going to just sign this way and submit your approvals directly to your backend. So everything is easy just on your pocket. This is not only the application we have. We have hundreds of applications. We can use them all, even if it is something related to the HR like signing using GPS and the self-service for the whole staff just in your mobile application. The news, the credit of vacation, sign using GPS from your mobile to allow your staff to ease their own life. Just use the mobile application. More than one application also we have. It's in real estate. Also in real estate, you have your own mobile application for the real estate running on your pocket. All you need is just to facilitate the work and the connectivity by whatever the connection you need with your customers directly from the mobile application. So it facilitates the sales activities. Behind the CRM for the other industries who is not working on real estate, CRM is the most important part for the sales to use it wherever they are. They can sign and they can find what is the nearest customer for you. It stores also the calendar of the sales activities and you can manage it all from here. So, on the other hand, we may have another applications also for your vendor or your customer as well. This is the vendor portal. This is for your vendors. The vendors are always allowed to use mobile application and connect directly to your internal system without logging to your system. So we may have tickets for the vendors. We may have invoices. The vendor can check it and just check the status of the payment he may have through the mobile application. Finally, we may show you another thing like the customer service. Customer service, they may have the tickets, they may have invoices. So they may have to pay for the invoices directly from the mobile application. So your environment must be completely in one place. Vendors, customers, the internal departments, all of them are working either from the web or from the mobile. Let's check the web as well. Internally, we have a lot of apps, core apps, which is the resources inside the company completely. Employees, attendance, payroll, HR Plus for the advanced HR, CRM, and e-invoice. If your organization is willing to connect with the government or the finance authority, they are going to be connected directly from here. Notification, project management, procurement life cycle completely based on ISO, it's in one place. Inventory, accounting with the whole activities in accounting department, all in one place. Customer portal, this is connected directly. They have their own login. It is totally different than the login of the ERP. So they may have connection directly to your system. So they may have username and password to connect their own services directly from the internet. Meanwhile, the vendor, they will have the same option as well. So you may need core apps working all for the whole departments inside your company, and the Apps Plus is for your industry. So the plus behind ERP is for your industry specific, or you may add your own app. Like some of our international customers working worldwide, and they build their own apps inside ERP to be connected to the core apps directly if you build your own app from ERP Plus. On the other hand, if we check inside each module in ERP Plus, we will find something just saying welcome to you in our family. And you may check how the module is running in one video from here. And then all you need is just to check what is inside each module from here. Now, after checking the employees module, one of the modules in ERP Plus, here we will find the dashboard. It's ready for you. Meanwhile, this is not the only thing. You can train yourself just by clicking on the percentage up there on the left. You will find a set of videos just defining what are the most important steps you have to follow. Just to understand what is the most important steps you have to follow just to implement the system yourself. After knowing what should be the steps to be followed, each step, just click on it. You will find a video showing you how to do this step in details. After that, all you need is just to click on let's do it, and the system will navigate you directly to the screen we have just explained to you how to do it. Then all you need is just to click here, and then after applying the step completely, the system will give you the full mark based on applying the step correctly. Then all you need is just to follow the steps to apply it on the whole modules you may have inside ERP. Now we are going to show you another thing which is called SPA. SPA means single page application. For example, you may need to manage the attendance, one of the resources of the time of the human resource. All of this just in one screen. Not only this, we have integration with Google Maps as well. This is just to let you know the connection with the other parties out of ERP Plus is already there. And we may have check like we have a connection here with Google service, and we override that this person is signed on that place at this time over Google Maps. And you can check in details using satellite. For example, what was the exact building he tried to sign from, and he is eligible to sign from this place or not. This is directly from the mobile application we have just explained here from the HR mobile application. That's why we said the connection with the other technology parts is very important. Now, if we check another module like accounting, this will give you the welcome note as well. Then you may check the dashboard of the accounting from the same screen. All you need is just to wait until it loads from the whole department inside ERP Plus. And now you will find your forecast yearly and for another years if you wish. This is for the second year. After 1 year, you can check the whole data from your internal department. Now we may check other graphs which reflects the behavior of the other departments just in one place. And we may find something like your banks and treasury accounts with the amount they have in different currencies, whatever the currency you are working with. Now you have everything in one place connected to the whole stakeholders may organize your company, so it is called the digital transformation just by ERP Plus.